Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video I talk about Armstrong number for n digit. So at first we have to know what is Armstrong number and how we calculate the Armstrong number. So you can see here 153 is a Armstrong number. I give you an example and after that I will write the code. For that you can understand the program. So you can see here 153 is a Armstrong number. So how you know that 153 is a Armstrong number? Why not 152 is a Armstrong number? So you can see here 153 is a 3-digit number, and 1 to the power 3 plus 5 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 3 equals to 153. Also you can see 1634 is a Armstrong number. Why? Because 1 to the, and this is a 4-digit number, that's why we are give to the power 4. And you can see 1 to the power 4 plus 6 to the power 4 plus 3 to the power 4 and 4 to the power 4 equals to 1634. So we see how we write the program, and so when I write the program you will understand the logic. So first we have to declare a header file and main function. And we declare integer variable n r sum equals to 0, c equals to 0, 10. Now we are printing. We are asking from user to give the value. We are storing the value by using scanf function into n. Now n contains the value which was given by the user. Suppose user give us 153. Okay. Now we are giving the value n value to temp. So now temp is 153. Okay. So now a while loop. Temp not equals to 0. While temp not equals to 0, c increase. For this c we are counting the power, and temp equals to temp divide 10. Temp divide 10. So I tell you the logic. Suppose user give us 153. Okay. So while, so you can see here at first c was 0, then the loop is execute and the number is 153. So 153 not equals to 0. Okay. Then the loop goes and c increase one time. Now c is 1. Then the temp equals to temp slash 10 and the temp equals to 15. 153 slash 10 equals to 15. Okay. Then again is go, and while temp not equals to 0, yes, 15 not equals to 0, then c increase one more time. Now c is 2 and the temp is 1. Temp equals to temp, 15 divide 10 equals to 1. Now again goes temp not equals to 0, 1 not equals to 0, and c increase one time, c is 3. Then temp equals to temp slash 10, 1 slash 10, and the loop will not execute after that. That's why we are writing here these things to know the power. Here you can see the power. If the number is 1 increase, then the power c is 4. Okay. So for that method, we are knowing the power, and the value of c is power. After that we are storing the value of temp into n. After that again a while loop. We mod the value of temp into n because we have to know the remainder, and sum equals to sum plus, here we can use a function that is pow, means power, and rem comma c. Rem means the value and c means the power, and temp equals to temp slash 10. So what we can see here, this thing, okay, and you can see temp not equals to null, yes, the condition is true. Then r equals to temp slash 10. So you can see 153 more 10, so r equals to 3, the remainder. Then sum equals to sum plus pow rem comma c. So sum equals to, what was the sum at first? 0 plus rem to the power c. Rem is 3 to the power 3. Now what is the value of sum? Equals to 27. Now temp is temp slash 10. So now the value of temp is 15. Again is check, temp not equals to 0, r equals to temp slash 10. Now temp is 15. Temp is 15 and r is 5. So what is the sum now? 27 plus 5 to the power 3. What is the value of 5 to the power 3? 125 and 27, 152. And again temp equals to temp slash 10. Now temp is 1. Temp not equals to 0, r equals to temp slash 10, r equals to 1 slash 10, remainder is 1. And sum equals to 152 plus 1 to the power 3, so 153. So there how we calculate the answer. That's why we are writing this code. And if sum equals to n, so here we can check after that if sum equals to n, we know the value of n is, here we can say that n is 10, means n equals to 153, and sum, here we calculate that 153. If the value of sum equals to value of n, means 153, then it's Armstrong. If it's not, then it's not Armstrong. Then only return 0. We check. So you can see here 153 is Armstrong and 152 is Armstrong. So you can see here we have to write temp equals to n, and after that the program will run perfectly. 1634 is Armstrong number. So I think you understand this program. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.